Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add an image onto your Weebly website. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my homepage of my site. This is a landing page I've created for a previous tutorial. However, I do have other pages as well, but that's not really important for now. Now what I'm going to be showing you guys is how you can add an image, for example, to this page. Not sure how you can edit this, but well, actually I am. You can just click edit background and you can change the image on here if your theme has something like this. But what I'm going to do now to add an image is I'm going to drag over two elements. You can drag over the image element, and now once we have that, click here. You can just drag the photo from your PC, drag the file, or upload it from your PC. And you can also add a URL if it's being hosted somewhere online. So let me just check out if it's somewhere on my computer or if I can find an image which I would like to upload. Okay, and as you can see, I have uploaded an image of this dog to my website, and that's what you need to do to upload your image. Additionally, you can also use a slideshow. So let me just add a slideshow. I'm going to put thumbnail on the bottom, and then I'm going to upload a couple of photos. Just go here, for example, like this, click open, click save after everything has been uploaded. And now we have our slideshow as well, which is another way in which you can add your photos. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.